Hey friends, welcome back. So this is going to interesting video, guys. So in recent times, in pandemic situation, people are suffering a lot, like especially students. They couldn't able to focus much on education. So I guess because of online stuff, so because of online category, people are getting unmotivated to do classes in online. So even in out of my friends segment, they are like just became lazy to do things done, guys. So I feel like I would like to share 5 steps which I've been following in recent time, guys. So it's been 6 months I'm following these steps. So I feel like these steps are like pretty much useful for me. So that's why I'm making this video, guys. So before starting tips, I just want to give one advice, guys. So it's your life, guys. No one is going to come and pull you off. You just need to run behind the technology stuffs. So if you're still adamant to not adopt the technology, then you're going to end up in failure, guys. So no one will leave. I feel like if you don't adapt to technology and stuff, you are going to end up in failure, guys. So even you cannot able to survive in future. So that's the reason I want to make this video, guys. So you might be asking, so after this pandemic situation completely, we're going to offline classes. So that's not true, guys. So I feel like each and every parts of the domain, schools and colleges and in various sectors, so everyone preferring online classes, online stuff, guys. So they just want to save extra bucks. So it's going to be useful for the country too. So instead of running behind the schools and colleges, they can able to invest that money in some other platforms so that the country improves, guys. So that's the reason I want to make video, guys. If you have mindset of having offline classes, just like stop to it, guys. Just adopt to technology and move forward, guys. If you not, you want to not survive in future. That's my points, guys. If you want to mark my words. The first thing, guys, how to stay efficient at home. So this thing I used to follow every time, guys. Keep your surrounding clean. So I guess like probably every weekend I used to clean my table with my cloth and a wet cloth, guys. So reason because like if you have a surrounding clean yourself, you will get a mood to work, guys. So I have seen friends, they used to keep all unnecessary stuff in nearby places. They won't be focused on much studies, guys. So even like one of my friends, he's a messy person, but when it comes to table, he just keeps each and every part clean, guys. So you won't be finding any kind of dust in laptop, you won't find any kind of dust in table. So reason because like if you have a clean desk and clean table, you will get able to focus on much more on activities, guys. So even I used to follow this step, guys. So this step I got from Quick. So he's a famous brain coach person. So I used to follow his tips a lot, guys. So there's a tip I got from him, guys. So if possible, every weekend try to clean up your desk. So not on desk, guys. If you want to change your bed, you can change. So I know like probably in India we don't have separate room for study room. So we might be using only bedroom as a sleeping area and studying room, guys. So try to make your bed sheets clean as soon as possible, like at least once in a week or once in a month, guys. It's going to be helpful for you. Trust me, guys. If you follow this first tip, you will get a successful life, guys. The first tip I want to share with you. The second tip, guys, find out your comfort zone of study, guys. So you might be like saying like it's not necessary, but trust me, guys, if I have like one particular zone, let's say in my opinion, I'm just comfortable sitting here and working, guys. So I used to work here, I used to shoot video here, I used to sleep in my bedroom. So this is a room where I used to spend much time, guys. Even for watching movies, I spend here, guys. So even for each and every person, they will be having one separate room, separate place to have like productivity, guys. Just find out that place. So in my opinion, I just want like clean nature, clean air, guys. That's the reason I prefer this room, because I'll get sunlight over my windows, so I'll get some nature light from it. So that's the reason I prefer this room. So there are few of my friends used to study in dark room, so they just used to light some kind of stuff. So for their friends, they just used to settle down in dark room which have light content, guys. So yeah, it depends on the person. Just find out which place you're comfortable studying. So if you want to study in open light, just go to terrace and study all, guys. It depends on the person. So just find out the room and place which have been like productive for you. Just follow just like sit over there and study everything, guys. The second tip I want to share with you. The third tip, guys, prepare all your study materials. So it's not only for academic purpose. If you're doing some kind of courses, before like ending the courses, just prepare all kind of stuff. Let's say if you're doing some kind of artificial courses, artificial, you have like ML, DL. So gather those kind of notes in online, just like arrange those course stuff in separate PDF, separate folder. So while doing course, if you have any doubt, just like go to all kind of documents, right? Use like much time to like get doubts clear on time. Even helps to like prioritize in your life, guys. So even if when it comes to college and school life, just get every notes, each and every lessons notes, and just store in some separate drive. So when you're reading something, just go to all the notes if you have any doubts, guys. So instead of asking your teachers and friends of doubts, you can able to do on self-learning, guys. The third tip I want to share with you, guys. The fourth thing, guys, adapt your own technique, guys. So I have seen, even I'm a person, in my first day I used to follow someone's timetable, guys. I used to follow my friend's timetable, so that's not going to work out, guys. So why? Because we are human beings, we don't have any particular time for each and every person, guys. We will different from each and everyone, we'll doing different tasks from each and everyone. We are not like same as one person, guys. For that reason, I feel like if you have one perfect timetable, it's going to helpful for you guys. So in my first day, I used to follow my friends. Sometimes I used to follow some kind of billionaire's advice, billionaire timetable, guys. That's not going to helpful for you guys. Trust me, guys. If you can able to make your own timetable, it's going to helpful for you guys. So in timetable, I don't think so it's going to good for if I talk in this video. I'll make one more on good how to make timetable, guys. So it's going to rent over 15 minutes. I'll make one more separate video on how to make timetable, guys. So for this video, just like maintain one time. You have Google Calendar, you have like even just use this notepad, guys. I'm just using this notepad and just write down each and every task and timeline for this, guys. Just notepad it just costs around 10 rupees, I guess. Just buy it and use this, guys. It's going to be helpful for you. The fourth tip I want to share with you. The final thing, guys, keep your mobile phone silent. Is the main aspects of the productiveness, guys. When you're working for serious, let's say if you're working on a project, so if you have a mobile phone nearby you, in case if you get any calls, you get distracted, you won't be able to recollect those kind of focus mode, guys. So this article says that each and every person, human being, like they couldn't able to focus much more than 25 minutes, guys. So even like I don't know how many people promote on technique. So it's about a 25 minutes technique, guys. So you just need to work for 25 minutes, take 5 minutes break, guys. So it's human psychology. So our mind says that we cannot able to focus more than 20 minutes. So that's the reason like even scientists and researchers used to take like breaks between 20 to 30 minutes gap, guys. So in the 20 minutes, if you are placing your phone nearby your workplace, if you get some kind of call, some kind of message, if you get distracted, you're going to not able to complete work on time, guys. So that's the reason whenever I working some kind of field, I used to place my mobile airplane mode. Sometimes I used to silence my phone. So I guess like probably all the time my phone will be silent, guys. So I will getting like calls from my friends and family. I don't want to pick those calls because they want to speak unnecessary stuff. That's the reason I always place my phone in silent mode. Only like if I get calls from close friends, my partners, I'll picking up those phones, guys. So regarding like if I get I won't pick up the phones. I'll be having separate time on picking up phone, guys. So in my case, I will be having like 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So at the time I will be picking any calls. So before that I won't be picking any calls, guys. Only it's important calls from important persons. So rather than I won't pick up any calls, guys. So even if you want to follow this technique, you can follow, guys. So if you don't want to follow, you might be asking me it's rude. So I don't bother about it because it's my life. I just need to prioritize. That's the reason I follow this tip, guys. So just working on your phone, keep your phone near. Don't keep your phone near, but just place your phone on the pillows or anywhere, guys. Put your phone in silent mode. Start working, guys. These are 5 tips I've been following from last 6 months, guys. I hope these are tips helpful for you. If this video likes to you guys, do like and do share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's it from my side, guys. We'll do soon. Bye.